Alright guys, so two things we're going to be installing. I got the Sram Axs and I also have Rockshox Reverb. I already went ahead and put on the cassette. Didn't want to make this video too long, so I already went ahead and put that. Next one, Axs. This is what it comes with. Derailleur, adjuster. You have your battery charger with cable. Throw that out that way. Battery. Derailleur. So throw that out that way. Putting the battery on. Then remote. This is where you shift. Adjuster. Got the chain cut to size. I got the cassette on. Put a little bit of this on there. Just a little bit. Okay. There you go. It's on. Okay. Chain is on. Let's let go of that. Bam. Chain is on. Alright, so that's on. Let's see. Perfect. Gotta put the remote. Remote is right here. This is the remote. It's on the handlebars. This goes here. Okay, let's leave it loose. The Magura MT7s with HC3 levers. So. Okay, now this up here, right there. Perfect. That's it for the Axs. That's on. I just removed my KSLEV Integra dropper. It's a good dropper, but here it is to install this. Ooh, nice. Got some, what this is. I think that's like a decal owner's manual. This looks like, I don't know what the fuck this is. It's like a cool, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's something to set your drink on. I don't know. Alright, so what do we got? We got charger, some sort of lever, USB cable to charge it. Okay, got the remote. It's a pretty nice remote. The battery. Alright. The dropper. Ooh, this is nice. Put that in there. Okay, and we'll tighten this down a little bit. Stay put. Slide it on there. There you go. Right there. Let's tighten that down. Okay, let's loosen this up. Perfect. I'm gonna need some carbon paste. So let's get some carbon paste. I don't know how much is enough, but we'll just assume that's good. There you go. Power comp. It's actually pretty nice. Got hollow rails on it. So loosen this sucker up. And it goes on here. Something like this. Oh, yep. Okay. That is how it looks. Okay, so we got that on. Shifter, derailleur, all that. Got that on. Now let's push the button. sure it comes on. Oh shit. That's nice. I just had to unscrew the seat post. Actually, I had to take that one off with the cables. That was pretty easy. Then I just loosened up the clamp, put this one in, put the seat, put the remote, put the battery on here, and that's it. Good to go.